In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize into Jupyter Notebook. We'll walk through opening Jupyter, creating a new notebook, loading a CSV, and generating quick summary insights all in a clear, beginner-friendly way. First, open Jupyter in your browser. When it loads, make sure you're looking at the Files view so you can see the folders and files in your working directory. This helps you confirm that the data you want to analyze is available where the notebook will run. At the top menu, click File, then hover over New and choose Notebook. If you're prompted to select a kernel, pick Python. You'll land in a fresh notebook with an empty cell ready for code. In the first cell, type the following on separate lines. Import pandas as PD, then df equals PD. Read, CSV, sales, data, CSV, and then df.head. Running this cell will import the pandas library, read your CSV into a data frame named df, and display the first few rows so you can verify the data loaded correctly. To run the cell, click the Run button or press Shift and Enter. If you see an error about the file not being found, double-check the file name and extension, and make sure the CSV is in the same location you saw in the Files view. The head output is a quick sanity check. Look for proper column names, reasonable values, and no obvious misalignment. Next, in a new cell, type df.describe and run it. This command computes summary statistics for your numeric columns, including the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, quartiles, and maximum. It's a fast way to understand the scale of each variable, spot potential outliers, and see whether there are missing values. If some columns don't appear, they're likely non-numeric. Describe focuses on numeric data by default. With just these two cells, you've inspected the structure of your data set and generated a concise statistical summary. This simple workflow load, preview, summarize is a reliable starting point for any analysis in Jupyter and sets you up for deeper exploration with confidence.